I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. As a ridge of high pressure continues to strengthen, highs through Saturday remain mostly in the mid to upper 80s. Some locations over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas top out in the low 90s tomorrow. Ahead of low pressure, south wind gusts to 25 to 30 expected tomorrow and to 35 tomorrow night. Saturday afternoon, south winds may gust between 40 and 50. Thunderstorms develop along a cold front in eastern areas of Colorado and Wyoming Saturday night and track to the southeast. It's uncertain on how long those storms hold together before weakening. Scattered thunderstorms redevelop along and north of the cold front Sunday night when it moves farther east. Chances favor eastern Nebraska to central and eastern Kansas. Occasional rain and thunderstorms remain possible through Monday night before those chances taper off for Tuesday through Wednesday. Highs cooled to seasonal levels in the 70s Sunday before dropping to around 60 on Monday. Widespread highs in the 60s expected for Tuesday and Wednesday. The long-term forecast, though, continues the prediction of overall warmer than normal temperatures Tuesday through October 15th for Nebraska and Kansas. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall indicated to be above normal Tuesday through October 15th. In the regional drought monitor, Nebraska increased a percentage point to 66% drought-free. It's abnormally dry in northern and western Harlan County, along the Hamilton-York County line, northwest Lincoln County to the northern Sandhills, and much of the eastern Panhandle. Coverage of moderate drought is steady at 9% of Nebraska, to include the northwest corner of the Panhandle to around Alliance and north of Sidney. Kansas remains steady at 82% drought-free. It's abnormally dry in many areas from eastern Jewell County to the northeastern corner and much of far eastern Kansas. Moderate drought coverage remains at 18% of Kansas, including Belleville to Clay Center, around Westmoreland, near Kansas City, and the southeast corner. Key weather factors affecting the markets include good harvest weather in the central U.S. before a change next week, dryness in central Brazil, and rain across Argentina, southern Brazil, and parts of Europe. A ridge of high pressure expands over the central and eastern U.S. the next few days, continuing favorable harvest weather with dry conditions and much warmer than normal temperatures, possibly challenging record highs in the northern plains and upper Midwest. Changes arrive with the cold front, producing rain as it moves through the central plains and Midwest early next week. More harvest delays could occur with another front and higher chances of widespread rain in the plains and Midwest late next week. Temperatures are a little cooler next week, but there are uncertainties on just how much cooler. Central Brazil's spotty rain through next week is unfavorable for early soybean planting, and more widespread planting is expected when consistent rains begin the middle of this month. Southern Brazil is better off with rain continuing through Saturday, which favors planting and early growth. Argentina expects increasing soil moisture with widespread rainfall this weekend, a benefit for significant soybean planting later on this month. Across Europe, widespread rainfall is expected in most areas this weekend and next week. Spain, that could use more rain, is forecast to be mostly mist. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.